Dear friends, I am starting my YouTube channel Justice Systems. On this occasion of inauguration, I avail the privilege to request Justice S.D. Anand to bestow blessings.
It's a new venture started by Mr. Amit Kumar. It's a YouTube channel where he'll be inviting various dignitaries to speak on topics touching the procedural law, the substantive law, and other facets of the law. We are a nation governed by the rule of law. We are a nation which is governed by the constitutional documentation. The constitutional documentation of India, let me share with the viewers, is one comprehensive documentation which provides for the various pillars of democracy. It describes how exactly those pillars will function and what will be the system for implementation thereof. The beginning is being made with a presentation by Dr. S.K. Kapoor. For the viewers from the northern region, this name must not be new. Dr. S.K. Kapoor has been a member of the Superior Judicial Services in the state of Haryana for a number of decades. A native of Karnal, he has been a practicing lawyer at Karnal and he accessed the justice delivery system as a judicial officer by competing at a competitive examination. He has established himself as a conscientious judicial officer with complete knowledge of law. It's a matter of great pleasure for me to announce that by his presentations over a period of time, he would be sharing his knowledge of the procedural law, knowledge of the penal laws, and knowledge of the various other facets of law, which people must know. He'll be rendering thereby a great service to not only to the members of the legal community, the members of bench and the members of bar, he'll also be rendering services to the members of litigating public, or people who would be in the need of knowing law, how to access law, how to access the judicial courts, how to access the investigative agencies. There are a number of facets with which needy people likely to be in need thereof, may not be in the know of. Take, for example, the Domestic Violence Act, which was legislated by the Parliament in the year 2005. This virus of domestic violence is not peculiar to any particular segment of society. Yes, we all understand the females of poorer segments are more amenable to the violence under the Domestic Violence Act. That part of the roster we'll deal with some other time. All that I would say is that it is very essential for a lawman to inform the litigant public in that facet about what should they do to access the relevant system, the protection officer, the magistrate authorized to deal with matters of that type, and the investigating agencies when somebody is in difficulty in the matter of harassment at the hands of the perpetrator of a crime under the Domestic Violence Act. I'm given to understand that to begin with, Dr. Kapoor will start with dissemination of the provisions of Code of Criminal Procedure. To be honest, all of us, or all in the field of law, may not necessarily be in the know of all provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Take, for example, we all understand that there is a comprehensive provision touching upon the limitation provided for the period within which a judicial court can take cognizance. Yes, we all understand that. But there is one particular provision which provides for a specific period of limitation within which a judicial court can take cognizance of a rape committed by a husband by committing sexual intercourse with his minor wife. I have no hesitation in conceding that I came to know of that provision when I was charged with the responsibility of preparing examination papers for a particular examination. So Dr. Kapoor will be rendering a great service to all concerned by telling them how do they access the justice delivery system and knock at the doors of the temples of justice. I wish the venture started by by Mr. Amit Kumar to make people knowledgeable about this part of the facet of justice delivery system. And I wish him all the best. He may now invite Dr. Kapoor to make his first presentation. God bless you.